All right, let's do Piper's hair. So there are, I guess, 3 elements to her hair. The first is, well, my own hair. The second is this hair coloring wax, temporary hair color. This is Mofajang. I don't know how you say it. There are extensions, and I'm gonna curl it. So we're gonna start by brushing it. Piper's hair is parted in the middle. Okay. And then what I'm gonna do is put some of this red in my roots. Just at the top. I don't really worry about anything below that. This stuff is really weird. And you are supposed to use it when your hair is wet. So just heads up on that. I do not do that because I'm using it differently than I think it is originally intended. So I'm just gonna go through here and put it kind of in the roots on the top of my head where you're gonna be able to see it the most. Sometimes I leave a little green. I'm gonna pull it down a little bit into here. But yes, sometimes I like to leave a little green. Her hair color I think of as being magic. And she keeps it fall colors, but her predominant color is red. Kind of this deeper red. She's a bit of a ginger. Okay. Now I always pull this hair back, kind of like this, so we're seeing a lot of this. So I want to put some red in there as well. I'm gonna leave a little green, so maybe I won't fill that bit in, but I'll go down here. Put this in a little. And I have a tendency to get it on my face, which I avoid as much as I can, but you know, you can only do so much. But I go back and clean it later. All right, good base. Now I'm going to curl it some. With my curling iron. So just curling away from the face. Nothing too fancy here. All right, I'm gonna give that a spray so it'll help hold its shape. All right. Now, the next thing I'm going to do is add some of these extensions. So I have some very tiny blonde pieces here. Now, what I ended up with, the way I do this is sort of dealing, oh, I have red all over my hands, sort of dealing with what I ended up with is, I'm a problem solver, so you could do this any number of ways, but basically I got orange, kind of a deep purpley red, and blonde extensions to go with my green. All right, so, and I cut some of these to be a little shorter than others. Oh, right, but I was going to start with blonde because it is the smallest. So I'm going to put this under here, at the bottom of my hair, so you can kind of see it, hopefully, peek out underneath, blend in a little bit. Do the same thing on the other side. Okay, now I'm gonna go up a little higher. And we're gonna do some more. So let's see, I've got this piece is just kind of one. Let's go over to these. So I'm gonna use this orange piece. It's longer, should match my hair okay. I'm gonna put that right there. Now, if you really wanted this to look real nice, you would go back and kind of recurl some of these pieces. They could probably stand to be recurled, but I don't always worry about that. I'm also going to take one of these red pieces here, push it out a little bit. I'm going to put it just right beside the orange one. All right. And now I'm going to sneeze. I've done it. Okay. Let's do the other side. This time I'm going to start with red. Okay, and we're going to put that right there. Perf. Shorter orange piece. Put it beside it. Great. All right, now let's go up a little higher. Go up here. And you can kind of put these in however you want, but I want to get them moving through my hair so it looks like this is my hair color. Let's do a blonde piece up high here. See if we can see it. Okay, do red piece up here, and let's do another orange piece. That's back in here. Okay, on this side, this orange is actually a shorter orange piece, which I would normally, we'll just put it in here a little lower. There we go. And this is also shorter. I did these in the wrong order today. Oh well. And we'll put this one right here. Get this red piece. Here we go. Nice long one. And put it right there. All right. Now I'm going to take this, twist it back a little bit, and bobby pin it in place. There we go. Oops, this piece doesn't want to stay. It's okay. That's what more bobby pins are for. Oh, I don't think I got it. There we go. All right, same thing on this side. Whoops. Okay, so this is not sticking in very good, so I'm gonna move it up. There we go. Should be all right. Ah! Well, sometimes, pieces of hair get stuck in these. You gotta kind of maneuver them around, so should be good now. Right, I got this on this side, and bobby pin that in. And we're good. All right. Perfect. And that's her hair. And of course, we put on the tiara here, pin that in, put on some earrings, some jewelry, and you have Piper. Ta-da!